fully automatic batch caramel coating popcorn production line. About 250 kilograms 1 hour output. One-click start. Equipped with intelligent operational panel. Convey popped kernels to transit storage bin. The vibration plate of automatic blanking. Pre-melting syrup tank and separation liquid tank. Cost-effective and good performance. Automatic syrup feeding. Syrup into hot toffee, filament state. Active feeding hopper of automatic weighing. By sliding track and accurate sensor on location. Auto popcorn feeding into Caramel Coater. Automatic separation liquid spraying. Equipped with auto coater dumping system, caramel popcorn into a conveyor. Hot caramel corn is separated by break-up fingers. Typically the corn is now conveyed to packaging. Sinfengda makes your popcorn business easier.